This next question is asking to select or click on all of the variable declarations. Declaring a variable means when you create the variable for the first time. When you're declaring a variable, the data type, the syntax, is that you state the data type first, and then you go ahead and put the variable name, whatever identifier you're going to put for the variable. You could optionally initialize it with a value, or you don't have to initialize it on that line. It would still be declaring a space in memory, creating a space in memory to hold a value just by creating the variable itself. You don't necessarily have to initialize it or set a value in that variable in order to declare it. So the lines of code that are declaring a variable is int num lives, that will create a space in memory identified as num lives. Double health would create a space in memory called health, and boolean power up would create a space in memory called power up. The other lines of code are not declaring a variable. This line of code is initializing the variable to a value, setting it to a value. So is this line of code and this line of code. This is where you're setting equal the variable to some value, which is initializing it. And the other lines of code, which are the system print, those are printing out or displaying the variable's values, not declaring the variable. So this is why the answer is what is highlighted in green.